Alright, so I ordered a couple different things so I can test a couple of my generators out. And one of them from Amazon for like $30 is this Toptes handheld sound level meter. Seems actually kind of cool. It holds the data, has auto shut off, low battery, has a temperature gauge and humidity. I always wondered if humidity, how it affected sound just from listening to the trains with the humidity. This goes from 30 to 130 dB range. Got to figure out what the fast and slow time waiting is. 1/2-inch microphone and an easy to read screen. Definitely made in China. Probably not very professional, but figured it'd be a start to test everything. So in the box, we have the Toptes TS-501B sound level meter. Little case. Batteries. It does come with an instruction manual. Definitely will have to be reading that. Figure out how to use it. So I'll pop in the batteries here. Be right back. Alright, so I got the batteries in. It's just a cover on the back. Just clips on and off. Very, very simple design. So let's power this thing up. Alright, so we are getting some readings I do not have. I believe this guy right here comes off. Sure does. Definitely cheap. So there is a microphone. You can see it catching the numbers. Guess if I point it to myself, it probably catches them louder. I don't know if I'm talking at a 70 dB. It is in Celsius. Let's see. Hit the Celsius Fahrenheit, it changes it to 71.7 degrees Fahrenheit. 40.3%. I take it that's the humidity. Slow. So it can slowly. Fast. So that would be the instantaneous reading of everything. Slow. All the readings. See if the backlight, is that what that is? Does not change it at all. The min and max. Hello. Now it is not working. Alright, now it is working. Hold. So holds it. So this would definitely be nice. I am, I'd say, about a foot away from it. I don't know if just talking straight into it changes too much or what. That is the Toptes sound rating meter. So I'd love to try these generators out, see once what the dB rating is on these. Conforms to EN 61010-1 and EN 61326-1. Takes 3 AAA batteries. Looks fairly simple to use. I'll go over the instruction manual, and if you guys have any questions, give me a holler and I will try to figure them out for you. Alright, so I was just going through the instructions, and it looks like the DBC is usually higher than the DBA, and that is what they rate, I believe, a lot of the generators at. Still says that my talking is at about a 60, which I don't believe I'm talking as loud as the generator would run. So we'll definitely have to give it a try. You are supposed to point it directly at the volume. So I don't know how it's really working. And to change that, you just hold this right here, the Fahrenheit, Celsius. There we go. Turn it on to slow-mo, and it's pretty quiet in the garage. It's nighttime, so talking, it's about, what is that? It's going up to 60, but probably at like a 56 average, I'd say. Oh, there's one thing so far I've learned.